Hello students, hope you all are safe and fine. Today we are going to start our next topic, algebraic expressions. Topic is power of literal numbers. Look at this square whose one side is a centimeter. If we want to find the area of square of side a centimeter, it will be equal to a multiplied by a square centimeter, right? Now look at this cube whose each edge is equal to x centimeter. If I want to find the volume of this cube, it will be equal to x multiplied by x multiplied by x cubic centimeter. Now we can also write this a into a as a raised to power 2 because a is written here 2 times in multiplication form, and in this expression x into x into x, it can be written as x raised to power 3. Now in a square, a is called base and 2 is the power or exponent. We have already studied all this in our chapter integers. Now same is in literals form. Now x raised to power 3, in this x is base and 3 is the exponent or power. When we say a raised to power 2, it means a square. That is, any literal number with power 2 is known as square, and if power 3 power is also known as cube. That is, it can be read as x cube. Here a square. Now next is variable and constant. Look at this circle whose radius is given 3 centimeter. What will be the diameter of this circle? We all know that diameter of a circle is double than the radius. It means diameter will be 6 centimeter. Diameter equals 2 into radius. I can write diameter as d, radius as r. So d is equal to 2r. Now observe this table. If radius is 5 centimeter, diameter becomes equal to 5 10 centimeter. If radius is 3.7, diameter becomes 7.4. Radius is 10, diameter is 20. What is going on? D is equal to 2r. Every time whatever the radius is taken, diameter becomes its double. Here 2 is a fixed number and D and R, these are literal numbers. They are not fixed numbers. They depend on the size of the circle. So a quantity which does not change its value is called a constant, and a quantity which changes its value is called a variable. Clear? Next topic, coefficient. Now look here, we all know that 6 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. Here 6 is the product. 3 and 2 are factors of 6. Similarly, xy is the product. X multiply y, if I am writing, it means x and y are factors, right? In this expression, x is said to be the coefficient of y and y is said to be the coefficient of x. Clear? Now look here in 3ABC. If I am asking what is the coefficient of A? Coefficient of A will be 3BC. What is the coefficient of B? Leave this B. Remaining 3AC will be the coefficient of B. And in case of C, 3AB will be the coefficient. Okay. Next comes numerical coefficient. Let us take 4x. In this 4x, 4 is the numerical part and x is the literal part. Here, numerical part is called the numerical coefficient and literal part is called the literal coefficient. Now, on the basis of all this discussion, you will try to solve worksheet number 3. I will discuss the questions of worksheet 3 in my next video. Thank you.